taking a stand. Never losing heart, we'll speak as one. We need to be the image of Christ, show love and serve at all times. We can make a difference in this land. You guys believe that? 'Cause we are the light to reach this world. We are the hope that's heavenly served. Let's show them the love that we receive now. Hey! We are desperation. We need to reach this generation. We are speaking louder than before. We are the hope that's been forgotten. We are the love that will be born in. We are speaking louder than before. Everything's so surreal, but this urgency I feel. Should be reaching out to all these desperate pleas. Oh, the need is real, can't you feel this call to revolution? My beating heart is breaking for them. That's what I'm speaking now. That's what I'm speaking loud. There's a lady holding her arms out. You will not break my fall. I will break you. Not on purpose. That was it. You see those hands? Come on. All right. Can we come back here soon? Like more on a regular basis type thing? We love you all, and I mean that from the bottom of my heart. This has been an amazing night, and I do pray our heart's desire is that you walk out of here more in love with Jesus and a greater desire to go tell people about what he's done in your life. So let's do that tonight, and that's your heart. I want to see those fists up in the air like this. Come on, all those fists. And you're going to say this: we are, all right? But I'll get you started. All right, here we go. 'Cause we are. 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 Sing it out. Come on. Come on. Come on. We are desperation. We need to reach this generation. We are speaking louder than before. We have the hope that's been forgotten. We have the love that will be brought in. We are speaking louder than before. Oh yeah, yeah. We are speaking louder than before. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Come on. Speak up, speak now, and speak loud. Come on. God bless y'all. Thank you.